Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Daryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us today in another of our series on learning how to use the EGW Writings 2 app on your iPhone. Now I'm going to tell you today a couple of little tricks on how to synchronize your study center, both within the device and also out onto EGW Cloud. Now we have built the ability that you can back up your study center from your device, both if you wish onto the device itself, or you can automatically do it if you sign in and create an EGW Writings 2 account. You can create your study center's backup out onto our cloud servers so that you do not have to worry about it. And if you have two devices, that's even better, because say you have your iPad or your MacBook and your iPhone, your study center will be instantly available on all three platforms. And that is what the beauty of EGW Cloud enables you to have. So let me demonstrate to you very quickly and simply how this all works. When you have run the EGW Writings 2 app for the first time, first of all, you need to make sure that you click on the side menu and that you are signed in here. If you see your name up here, you should be then signed into EGW Cloud, and I've created another tutorial on how you do that. All right, so once you're signed in, then once you click on Study Center, you can see at the top there, and you saw the little window how it's scrolling and showing that it's synced. Once it's synced, it then enables you to start using the Study Center. And every time you open your Study Center, that sync process will happen. So that is simply how you do the synchronization with the cloud. Simple as that. Have an internet connection, a good internet connection, open your study center, and the sync will happen. Now, if you want to back up, you can see this little tiny cloud with an arrow in it in the top right-hand corner. And when I click on that, it gives you three options. I can create a local backup to the device, I can restore a local backup, and I can create and restore a cloud backup. Okay, so I'm going to click on Create and Restore a Cloud Backup. It will take me over. I need to log into this with the same account that I used to log into the app. So it will pop up the cPanel. If I'm logged in, it'll come up and you can see all the past backups that I have done. And if you want to create a current backup, all you do is you click on Backup Now, and it's going to create, as we just did, right here, a backup. If you ever wish to restore it, it will restore it back out into the cloud. If you wish to delete it, you can click on Delete. And if you want to, you can go ahead and upload a backup from your device if you so have desired. You know, you've created a local backup, you can actually upload it back up to here as well. Okay, so that is creating a cloud backup. Now, once you've done that, you can click Done. If you want to create a local backup, you just click here, you click on Create a Local Backup, you come and you say, yep, I want to put it into my iCloud Drive in Downloads, and you click Done, and there it is. It's now gone and created in your Downloads folder in your iCloud Drive, a local backup. And then you can go ahead at a later state and restore it if you wish. Okay, so there we are. We have created a local backup. We've created a cloud backup. We've also shown you how you can synchronize your study center. And if you have your iPad or a MacBook, or you even want to do it on the EGW Writings internet website, you can also access your study center there as well. All right, well, thank you for joining us for another tech tip. I'm Daryl Thompson. Have a nice day. Bye for now.